Hello there.
Huh?
Baby girl, Dallas, West Coast, Philly. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. West Coast, Philly. Dallas, dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, Philly. Say what? West Coast, Philly. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got East Coast, Philly. West Coast, Philly. Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl, East Coast, Philly. Dallas, West Coast, Philly. Say what? Dirty South, here we go.
Y'all, when I say I was sick last week and the sickness tried to take me out, it tried to take my life. But God had other plans. Or God allowed me to be sick so that I can rest, so I can sit down somewhere. I was sat. As you can hear, I still am just a little bit under the weather, or maybe I'm getting over it, and so it's in my voice. God healed me from my sickness. Amen, 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 amen. This week in my hair is going to be very simple. As you can see, I'm starting off with a wig. I laid her down last night, slept in it, and she looks really good. This is a BGM girl hair. It's in the water wave, 24 inches. It's real good. It's real good. I used a diamond brush and mousse to define the curls, and y'all, she is so pretty. She's so pretty. The only gripe that I have is that she smells like a hot comb. Like, it smells like heat was used to do whatever type of mechanism, either, I don't know, to make the curls or maybe to pluck and lay down the hair. It just smells like a flat iron, and I don't like that. Normally I would like to wash my hair before wearing it. When I buy braiding hair, I always like to wash it, but like for the last year and a half, I have not been washing my hair, because when I do wig reviews, a lot of the companies, they want me to wear it out the box. And so I haven't been washing my hair before wearing it. But I highly suggest to do that, because, I mean, it's in a factory. And if this is going to go on in your head, who knows what's in the factory. So, like, I always advise to wash the hair before wearing it. Once I take this off, I will wash this and reinstall it, because I'm in love. I really am in love. And finally, I'll be taking these plaits out. So I do have plaits underneath here. It's braided in two, so it can be flat enough for me to wear wigs. I will be taking my entire plaits out, because y'all, it is the 16th and February is almost over. Y'all know I said I was going to be flat ironing my hair this month. So I do want to prep my hair, give myself a protein treatment. But yeah, so, oh, no way. Did I not say welcome back?
No.
I didn't?
Nope.
Welcome back to another week in my hair. Hi. How y'all doing? I am especially excited for my next wig review, which is from Ashley Mary. Oh my gosh, I have always been wanting to try Ashley Mary's hair, but more specifically, their water wave and like the chocolate brown color. Oh, it's so pretty. When I looked at it online, I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put that on. I am at my new build, and I just wanted to see the updates on the new build. They haven't finished laying the brick down, but for the most part, like, it looks like it's coming together pretty fast. It makes me a little nervous because I have yet to sell my current home, and y'all know I can't get this house until I sell my current house. So y'all pray for your girl. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning and I couldn't go back to sleep. So what I'm gonna do is get me some mushroom coffee while I clock in for work. It's Sunday, and I'm hoping and praying that it's a really smooth day, just because, like, I'm slowly but surely getting back into my daily habit, because the last few days, because I was sick, like, I was just like, I didn't want to do nothing. Now that I'm back, I want to slowly, take it easy, get back into the swing of things. But so now I have to kind of like rearrange my schedule, because I was really looking forward to going out with my sister last week to get sushi, but I missed it because I was sick. Do you guys know I have a sister? Actually, do you guys know I have siblings? It's 6 of us. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but yeah, it's 6 of us. I'm the oldest of 6. My sister, it's only 2 girls, 4 boys. My sister is 10 years younger than I am. So yeah, in case y'all know, I have siblings. Y'all, I'm really just sitting here thinking like, I am truly blessed to do what I love. Now, granted, I'm not doing this full time. However, the fact that I have a lucrative hobby, let's just say that it's a lucrative hobby, but to do something that I absolutely love, something that I was dreaming about for years, I am now living in that dream. I am now living in that moment. And it's so surreal. Like, is this real life? Like, what? You guys! I customize her. It mimics my natural hairline. And this is my first time doing something like this. And I'm super proud of how it turned out. Okay, well, it turns out I was just a little bit too ambitious. January 1st, that I was gonna record every single day of this year. I don't remember the last time I picked up this camera. To be honest, like I did a little bit of, I have like footage here and there, and so I'm gonna have to organize it the best that I possibly can. But anyway, so chill. It is Friday, February the 21st, and what the hell is up? How y'all doing? Y'all okay? I'm about to take this wig off. I've had this hair in for 3 days and I freaking love it. I freaking love it. If I didn't have another wig review to do tomorrow, I would keep this in for a whole nother week. She is legit just like up in a bun. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see. Huh? This is so pretty. Like, it's so good. The next time I install this specific hair, I'm going to be doing the ball cap method because I feel like it will eat. This morning, I was kind of hard on myself because I was like, I could do better. I really could do better. When I went to the beauty supply store, the lady was like, your hair looks so pretty. I thought you did like the flip over method. She thought this was my hair. Excuse me, what? You thought this was my hair? So yeah, this goes to show you, like, don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your abilities, have confidence in your strength and your talents, and what you think might be bad, somebody else might think it's the best thing in the world, honey. If you're watching this, you probably not, because you know who the hell I am, but thank you, just basically thank you for your kind words. That was very nice. I'm going to take her off because, like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be installing a new wig. So y'all know the drill. Dab, dab, dab water on it. Dab it. You gotta dab the water and you gotta let it sit. It don't come off with just water. It comes off with water and time. And if you're out there wondering if I've washed my hair since I've last put these plaits in, no, I have not. No, I have not. The reason being is because I want to do this method I saw to take my hair down. And I saw it was on Instagram, and all she did was basically pull one side of the plait and the whole thing just like unraveled. And so I want to try that method, but if I wash my hair, I'm not gonna be able to try that method. So I just kept kind of like putting it off and putting it off, because if I take my plaits out now, it's gonna be a little difficult for me to install wigs, because I find that it's easier to install wigs when my hair is laid like this in this style. It's just flat. I'm just making sure that all of the lace adhesive is off of my hair. There's nothing there. 2 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I put my hair in these plaits because I was doing these wig installs. Yeah, it's been like that for a while. So what I'm gonna do is moisturize her. Because it's okay to wear wigs, y'all, but you can't neglect the hair. You can't neglect your natural hair. That's where people go wrong. That's the mistake that they make. So I'm wetting her liberally. Liberally. I know y'all probably like, girl, you're wetting your hair. What's the difference? No, I am misting my hair. There's a difference between misting it and drenching it. And y'all know me, my handy dandy, old faithful TGIN, just doing a little bit, a adjust it a little bit. It locks, y'all. I didn't know it locks. If you get this bottle, it locks. I didn't know that. You just gotta turn the top. Like, I did not know. I did not know. And also, I feel like the reason why I haven't been active with my week in my hair videos is because, so I stopped taking a specific iron and I had to double up on a different one. And y'all, when I say the girl has been not feeling the best at all, and he said that with me doubling my dose, there is no changes in my iron levels, and so I have to do iron infusions, and my infusions are going to start next week. So yeah, that's why I've just been basically busy. Might make it a month in my hair. I hope y'all okay with that. It doesn't take long for my hair to dry when I do this, so I'm just gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna wear it down for a little bit, let my hair breathe, and then I'll just tie my hair down before I go to sleep. And I guess I'll see you in the morning. Because the bangs are already cut, all I had to do was just like trim it little by little until I reached my desired length. I probably could stand to cut it a little shorter, but y'all know when the bangs are too short, it have you looking crazy. It's really gotta be sunny how it's always sunny when I come to my doctor's appointment. Such a beautiful day outside. Anyways, the treatment went well. At first, I felt a little uncomfortable, but I just had to kind of like move my hands a little bit. I don't know if y'all ever got IV'd before. Yeah, uncomfortable. I can't tell you when did I even put these plaits in? It's probably been over a month now. Yeah, it's well over a month. I have yet to wash my hair. My hair hasn't been washed for more than a month, you guys. More than a month. Things just been happening and piling on, and like I just got so busy. Wow. This happened last year. I want to say July, and that's when I experienced the most breakage. Like I was sick. I had COVID at the time. This time around, I was just sick and had my period, and I just was busy with doing like brand deals and sponsorships. So yeah, it's time. Oh my gosh, it's time. I was supposed to have straightened my hair last month. It is March 1st. Ain't no straightening been done at all. So I'm gonna take these plaits out. I'm gonna give myself a protein treatment and a deep conditioning treatment, and we are going to straighten my hair. And guess what I'm using to straighten my hair? These two. I got the Tymo Airflow, the curler and the straightener, and I have the Ring Plus, the straightening comb. Yes, we're gonna use this. Supposedly it's faster, which it is. I tried the hot comb the year before. I did my entire head in 20 minutes. It probably looked like a fluffy silk press, and it didn't have the name at the time. Oh, and when I used the Tymo that first time, I did it on the heat setting 350. Now the max I'll go, this go around is 375. We're gonna see if we can get results with just 375. I say all that to say I will be taking my plaits out starting tomorrow, and we're gonna get ready to straighten my hair. We're gonna get ready. I saw this video and she made it look so easy with taking the plaits out. Actually, I'm gonna try one now. So basically what she did was she unraveled the ends. And honestly, y'all, I hope this works, because otherwise what would have been the point of me waiting a whole month to wash my hair? It is unraveled at the ends. She got one section of hair and then she pulled it. It's not working. Oh, it is working. No way. Oh, snap. Oh, that looks like a knot. It's because it is a knot. I wonder if it worked for her so easily because of like how long she had the plaits in, but I just created a knot, y'all. That was probably shed hair. Whoop, I created a knot. I think I just made it worse. Okay, well, let me grab the scissors. Tell me why I bought scissors. And the way that the scissors are attached to the package, you need scissors to open it. Tell me how that makes sense, people. Tell me how that makes sense. Okay, well, I mean, I am not gonna lie, it was going well until I got the knot. So I think if the hair was slightly kind of like freshly done. I say maybe after 2 weeks or so, it probably would have worked a little better. See, I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna pull one section through. Okay, and that worked. I'll probably have to unravel my hair a little further up in order for it to work seamlessly. I'd say it does work, yeah. I mean, there's stipulations to it. So I know that this is not gonna work if the hair is fed in. And you know how sometimes we have to borrow from the other section? Yeah, probably not gonna work. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I am so tempted to just lock my hair. Not even gonna lie to you guys. I wanna lock it, but not now. Not now, in due time. But anyways, shed here. I don't know if y'all can see. Shed here. Oh, one down, 41 more to go.